No YouTube is rinsing now. I think it's asking for more water, but I ain't putting any more water in because there's plenty in there. It's doing the classic Indesit rinse. There's plenty of water in there anyway. So 3/4 of a can anyway. This is a pre-rinse. It's not getting a high water level for the next stage. Machine's turned off. I'm gonna go spin. 60. No. Yeah. Oops, imbalance. Balancing. There we go. You're shaking, but that's because of the in level floor. Sorry. Are they shaking? Okay. Okay, now program number we want is number 5. Woolens circle.
Maybe I ate for one, come on here, mate.
Right.
I'll add another 2 there.
Have you now?
Right?
Have you? Right, I'm going to use a tiny bit of Asda bio because, no, Tesco bio, sorry. Here gets 2 sudsy. Sweet plenty. Look at me, being 20 detergent, flour, and a bit of lean oil. Measure out cap. Not even a cap, about 1/4 I think. Really good. Okay. There you go, that goes in a softener compartment. Nice and yellow now. And we clean it up. Options, we want easy iron. You can have. We want. I think that is it? I think we want. No. Cat. They tell me we don't want. Do we want easy iron? No, we do. No, we don't. Okay, I'll record when we're washing. Bye, guys.